Welcome, guys. I'm so sorry we don't live together, and we haven't made the second part of house tour. So I guess we're just doing it now. Okay, we're beginning with my room. Yeah, but this is my bed. Yeah, that's my bed, and this is like sleepover, like mattress thing. I like jumping.
I like to jump.
I know you will. We'll see. We have this one. Oh, this one. This one. Next. Daddy, me and my sister did. Yeah. Okay. We're going out of the room. And here we have the wardrobe for my mom. And here we have the wardrobe for me. It is actually not that big because I do most of my clothes in there, in my room. Wardrobe for my mom and for my dad. And then we're going to do one of the bathrooms. And here we have a bathtub. And it's for tubbing in the bath. That's why it's named tub bath. No, bathtub. And here we have the sink with the only toothbrush.
And some refill for our shower soap. Another one.
And in is my mom and dad's bedroom. They are super cool. Like you can take up the bed and that kind of
stuff. So I'm just going to show you real quick. You can just put it in the bed. You can make your bed go up.
First living room. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. We couldn't make an outro, so this is just a way to stop it, kind of. So yeah, bye.